Hello, this is the overview video of the 8-shot Hammershot turret, which also fits in the suite of engines you can see here. I designed the first original 8-shot cylinder to show that it was possible, however this is my Mark II version, which is upgraded to allow you to put in any dart, even the thicker aftermarket darts. So you can shove them in like that, and it's not necessary to do any sort of twisting. This also comes with a spring spacer for upgraded power without having to change your spring. And I've also found that it's actually quite handy to put half-length darts in. Those you push in a little further with your pinky, but they're very accurate, which makes it quite handy sidearm. So I'll just shoot off 8 shots here. There you go, no problem.